Hello. I've just finished recording a small recommendation video for my YouTube channel for this book, Managing the Design Factory by Don Reinertsen, an essential book to have in your library if you're into anything to do with product development. How would you like to own your own copy of this for free? Well, you can't have mine, because that's mine, but what I do have here is a brand new copy of Managing the Design Factory. And if you'd like to try and win this, including shipping to wherever you live in the world, all you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look wherever you're watching this video for a link which will auto-subscribe you to the channel and of course take you to the channel to watch the book review if you want to. Managing the Design Factory by Don Reinertsen, your opportunity to win your own free copy simply by subscribing to this channel. Check out the link below.